Hey everyone, it's JENXOPLANS. Today I'm going to do a process video on how I'm using the Planner Society December kits to do a standard size traveler's notebook layout. This is more like a scrapbook layout. Sometimes I do like creative journaling or memory keeping, but I'm not going to do a lot of that this time. I'm just going to have a photo with just a couple quotes or something. So it's more like a scrapbooking layout. I'm just taking my round circle hole puncher, paper puncher, and I am going to punch a bunch of circles out of the pretty double-sided papers. These papers are so gorgeous. I love it. And then I'm going to just go ahead and cut all of those circles in half, and then I'm going to layer it as my background. I love just playing with paper. I just love paper crafts. And I do have a silhouette and one of those border punches where I could just cut it easily, but I don't know. I just thought this was kind of fun. I really like to play with my paper tools and just cut and paste. I don't know. It's always so fun. I also have these shearing scissors. They're actually, I think they're for the kitchen, or I don't know what they're for, maybe shredding documents, but I'm just going to go ahead and fringe a few of the layers that I'm going to make. Not all of them, but I'm just going to go ahead and start gluing them down, and I'm going to make a really fun background, and then you'll see some of them are over the edge of the paper, but I'm going to cut that at the end and trim that down. So I like the texture that it adds, especially the fringe. I love the texture and the different layers, and I just think it's so much fun. I just love making backgrounds like this from scratch. So I'm going to go ahead and go through all of the die cuts that come in the kit. There are so many cute die cuts that I want to use, but I can't fit all of them on one page, and I kind of like to keep it simple that way. So I'm just seeing if I want to use any washi or any of the tags that come in the kit. I really like this quote that's on this tag, and then I like the way the flowers look underneath there, and I love the stars, and then I really like how this vellum would look on the other side of the page. So I printed my picture of my oldest two daughters, and I printed it in black and white so that it can go with the color scheme of this kit, because the bows in their hair are like a rainbow, and they're just darker colors that just don't really match with the pastel colors from this kit. So I'm just going to go ahead and glue down the vellum on that side. I love this paper. It's so pretty. I don't know if you can see, but there's like little splatters of pink stars and pink splatters all over. It's so pretty. I love that. And then the kit also comes with these silver puffy stickers. So I love the quote on that tag, so I'm just going to glue it down and then layer all kind of embellishments around it. And then I'm going to use the puffy stickers for my title, which is going to be Shine. And I do add a little bit of glue just to make sure it's already adhesive, but I add a little bit of glue just to make sure that it's really on there. I want it to stay. And then I also use some of the stars from the puffy stickers, and I just add another layer along with the clusters at the bottom and on the side of the photo. And then I do type up a little quote, and then I cut it out, and then I'm going to put that under the shine, and then I'm going to call it done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to link everything both down below if you guys want to subscribe to any of the kits, and thanks so much for watching.